to make Halloween decorations really cheap just by using a palette, a bottle of fake blood, and we have two fake hands from Spirit Halloween and some chains. We drip the blood all over the palette, make it look like blood splatters. Kind of bring it down a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Just like that. And then we got the chains. Put it in there. Oh, there we go. And we got some fake blood we're going to add to it. It makes it look like... There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. That's how you do it. A really cheap budget trick for Halloween. And another good idea would be putting a fog machine under there with a fog cooler. The fog cooler will help the low-lying fog stay underneath. Thank you for watching.